Software configuration management for web engineering. Now, when we are talking about the website, the web applications and the mobile application, the SCM has to be updated. It has to be modulated to work with all these kind of development. So first thing comes here is, all the things which I just told, it's content, because a typical website may have various things. It can have text, it can have graphics, applets, scripts, audio, video files, forms, active page elements, the tables, the streaming data. So all these are the contents you will see. You might have seen the website. They are so dynamic today. So the challenge here is, because there is a humongous number of contents. So now we need to organize these in certain set of configuration objects, like text, a configuration object, graphics, configuration object, audio, configuration object, and then establish appropriate configuration control mechanism for these objects, which we are doing for the conventional one. And now we have people, because whenever the web app development is taking place, most of the time this is done in incremental manner, in an ad hoc manner. Any person involved in the web app or the mobile app can create content. He can do the work. He can create certain content which will be published in the website or the web app or the mobile app. So scalability is important, because have you thought about Facebook? Have you thought about YouTube? When FB came, how many users were there? When YouTube came, how many users are there? Now worldwide, Facebook, everyone has a Facebook account, everyone is using YouTube. So as this size and complexity grows and becomes, the smaller changes, they can have very far-reaching global and unintended effects that can be problematic for the business, for the software team also. Therefore, there has to be a configuration control mechanism properly made, managed, should be directly proportional to the scalability, application scale. Now, there are certain questions also which are involved. Who owns this web app? Who assumes the responsibility? Who will take the responsibility? Whatever you are putting the information on your website, whether it is accurate, whether it is correct or not. Who is going to verify it? Who assures the quality control process that have been properly followed? Because you are publishing something to the website which is going all across your users. Who is responsible for making these changes? Who assumes the cost of change? This comes here.